Madam Speaker, the Reserve Bank of Fiji will also be generally relaxing exchange controls, making it much easier for Fijians and Fijian businesses to make overseas payments. And we expect overseas businesses to take notice that doing business in Fiji is getting easier. Madam Speaker, in Fiji, we are in the business of forging strategic partnerships with the right development partners. And when it comes to preparing our cities and towns for the future, we are rightfully working with the Singaporeans to assist with our urban planning. They'll be undertaking assessment in Fiji, looking at where roads should be built, where bus stands should be placed, how our urban centres can be properly planned and spaced out, so that 10, 20 and 30 years from now, Fijians can look back and say, thank God, the FijiFirst Government planned so well for our future. Last year, Madam Speaker, we announced we'll be funding a National Gallery of Contemporary Art in Suva, in partnership with the British Council, to give our artists in Fiji a modern and contemporary creative space where they can show their work, create new pieces and engage among the artistic community. And we've set aside another $3 million, Madam Speaker, to begin refurbishment on the St. Stephen's building, and we expect the gallery to open its doors in 2020. Given our recent accession to the major position of leadership within the United Nations and our long-standing commitment to the UN peacekeeping operations, we also offered to cover the $1.2 million in rental costs for UN common premises in Fiji to house the 16 UN entities and approximately 400 staff based in our country. It's a sign of our commitment to our partners around the world and to the framework that binds us, given the tremendous good Fiji has created by leading the UN on some of the great issues facing the planet, such as oceans preservation and climate change.